Okay, this time I don't even know. Um, this is using an integrated circuit for the first time for me. I have a circuit called an H bridge, which basically switches the direction of power supply and ground for this DC motor, and we're controlling it, the direction, and also the speed with the potentiometer, just like the last time. The little black centipede on the breadboard is the integrated circuit, the H bridge. And here's the sketch. Basically, different pins on the integrated circuit do different things. You have to power it, the bridge itself, and then you also have some control pins. So basically, we're just setting the control pins the way they need to be and using pulse width modulation to control the speed based on the value of the potentiometer. So we have the variables at the top. At the bottom, we have a couple different functions. Let's see. Forward, which sets the pins the way they need to be, and a rate of how fast it's going to go forward if the potentiometer is in a certain state, and then same thing for backward. And then the brake function is the H bridge. When it's connected a certain way, it can brake the motor. Okay, so in our setup, we just have inputs and outputs set, and we start it in the braked setting. Then the loop, we have an if statement, so like if the potentiometer is all the way to the left, then that's going to be going backward. If it's all the way to the right, that's going to be going forward. And in the middle, that's the else at the bottom, it's going to brake. So right now it's set in the middle, and if I turn it to the left, counterclockwise, it's going to go counterclockwise. So you can see, hold on. Put my little propeller back on there. It's hard to do with just two hands. Okay. If I turn it to the left, it's going to go counterclockwise. Stay. You can see it. Well, anyway, I'm going to stop hitting it against my hand to show you. But left is counterclockwise. In the middle is braking, and then if I turn it clockwise, the motor's also going to spin clockwise. And I can adjust the speed. In either direction.